Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to solve this given radical equation to find the value of x. Our equation is x under root equal to 2 under root plus 8 under root plus 18 under root. So, first step, if I write the right hand side into the product of its prime factors, so next step, x under root equal to 2 is already a prime number, so this is 2 under root plus 8 if I write 2 times 2 times 2 under root plus 18 if I write 3 times 3 times 2 under root. So this equation x under root equal to 2 under root plus from this square root, if I take this pair out from the square root, so this is 2 times 2 under root plus from this pair, if I take 3 out, so this is 3 times 2 under root. So this is further equal to x under root equal to, take the 2 under root common from right hand side, so this is 2 under root inside the bracket 1 plus 2 plus 3. So this is further equal to x under root. This is 3 plus 2, 5, 6. 6, 2 under root. So this is further equal to x under root. So if I take this 6 inside the square root, so this will be 6 times 2 under root. So this implies that x under root equal to 6 times 6, 36 times 2 is 70, 2 under root. So taking the square on both sides, this is further equal to x equal to 72. So this is my final answer. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.